back, everybody. This is your Feel Good Breakfast show on this Monday morning. Now, if you ever heard of people overseas winning huge amounts of money in the lottery and wondered whether it would be possible to stand a chance to win that big in South Africa, well, now that chance is here with Lottoland South Africa, an international online betting platform with draws every week, every day, every hour, and even every 4 minutes. People are winning big money.
Crazy. So just how is this all possible, you wonder, right? So Lottoland SA's marketing director, Maryke Hayood, joins us via video call this morning to share all of the exciting details. Maryke, how are you doing this morning?
Good morning, Raul. Good morning, guys. How are you doing?
Awesome.
We are so good. I mean, Lottoland sounds very exciting. What exactly is it and how does it all work?
Jamie, so as a South African, we cannot play on overseas lotteries. Or you can, but you will not be able to claim your winnings because you're not a resident of that specific country. So Lottoland is a platform where you place fixed odds bets on the outcome of these international lotteries. So in other words, you are not playing the actual lottery, but you are placing a fixed odds bet. This gives South Africans now the chance to win billions. With our currency that's currently not that strong, for example, you will see that the US Powerball is now standing at 6.8 billion rand.
That is
Well, hang on a
insane.
second. You said 6.8 billion rand, right? So if we're able to tap into such amounts, such as this US Powerball, how can you ensure that you actually pay this huge sum out? Like, will I actually get that amount into my bank account? 6.8 billion rand. Yo, 6.5 billion rand, sorry, wow.
So Raul, my biggest concern when we started with advertising the product in South Africa was that these amounts sounds too good to be true. And so many people think this is a scam. So I can definitely assure you this morning, this is not a scam. And you will receive your winnings within 24 to 72 hours.
Oh, wow.
So firstly, lots of and regulated with Western Cape Gambling and Racing Board. Then secondly, each bet that is placed is insured. So this enables us to pay out, for example, the 6.8 billion if you are the winner.
Maryke, at this point, I just want to know if there's been any winners and maybe you can give us their names so that I can DM them and just ask, like, listen, do you have 1 rand for me or something? Has anyone won big yet?
So, Jamie, yes, we've got such a beautiful Cinderella story. In 2018, a lady who was a cleaner won 90 million euros, and that was on the Euro jackpot. And that happened on that platform. So in South Africa terms, that is roughly 1.7 billion rand. So she and her mom was flown to Gibraltar. That's where our head office is based. And she received the counseling to prepare for a new future. She was also paid out within days. And with this big win, we at Lottoland won the Guinness World Record for the biggest online betting payout. So we're very proud of that.
Wow, okay, Maryke, so listen, everybody in the studio after hearing those numbers is like, how do I enter? They're on their phone. So you got to tell us, and for everyone watching as well, how can I bet on Lottoland so that I can stand a chance to obviously win these insane amounts?
It's very easy. So all you have to do is you have to be 18 years and older, and then you can visit lottoland.co.za. Then you can just register with your South African ID number, and then you can start to bet. But the most important thing is to cross all your fingers and toes and hope for that big win.
Maryke, we are definitely doing so that right now, like toes, everything. Thank you so much for giving us hope. We all feel like we are so lucky right now. But thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks, guys. Have a good week.
And of course, if you are feeling lucky and would like to take a chance at winning really big, then all you have to do is head on over to lottoland.co.za and place your bets right now. Like we said, we are keeping our fingers and our toes crossed for you.